All right, folks, so as we look to draw the curtains down on Child Month 2023, we had to feature the members of Garvey Maceo's Culture Club. They've won a ton of awards in JCDC, and they're here this morning to tell us all about it. With me, teacher Chevenise Forbes Gardner, and members of the club, Shamar Brown, Rajay Rodney, Nicholas Page, and Rowan Walters. Morning!
Good morning!
How goes it? Everybody good?
Yes. So far,
nice. Culture Club is a thing in the school, Michelle?
Yes, it is.
Tell me a little bit about the Culture Club.
All right, so the Culture Club basically unearths talents and skills and abilities in performing arts. So we do the singing and we do the drama, the speech competitions, and we just pull students who have these talents and just allow them to just express themselves.
How big is the club at Garvey now?
Well, we have up to 50 persons are part of the club, and we have a lot of teachers who are a part of it as well. And so we are just booming and rearing, and all the activities, all the competitions that are available to enter, we enter them.
And win them up too.
That's right.
Tell me what happened to JCDC.
All right, so we enter all categories basically. So we entered the singing category, we entered speech, and we entered drama and dance. And we got medals in all pieces. But we got one dance national medal, gold medal, and then we got about 10 gold medals.
What?
10 gold medals for our drama piece. And then we got 2 speech medals, gold medals again. So all those pieces were brought to the national finals. And I tell you, if they didn't know about Garvey Maceo, they had to find us. Because we copped the national award in our group dub, with the highest, I don't think anybody has ever, I'm not sure. Because for the drama finals, we got 49.17 out of 50. Wow. I'm not sure anybody could top that. And for the speech, we got 47.5 out of 50. And so we are so excited. We have been, we brought home about 20 trophies in all for the speech and drama.
You know what I love to see here, Miss? Well, first of all, you are integral because I see you all over there and that drum. So you're not just teaching them, you're in the belly of this drama culture beast, right?
Yes, I am.
What's your own background in the arts?
Well, I don't have any particular training. I'm a business teacher.
Really?
Yes, I am. But when I went to Garvey Maceo High School, I met my good friend, Mrs. Roxanne Wright-Williams, and she was the drama teacher, the theater arts teacher, and because we're friends, if she's in it, I'm in it. So I learned a lot from her. Right. I also did my own writing in church and stuff. So it's just the Culture Club unearthing what I had inside.
Yeah. Gentlemen, introduce yourselves and tell me what being a part of this club has done for you.
All right, so good morning again. My name is Rowan Walters.
Yes,
being a part of this club has taught me tremendous discipline and teamwork. It has taught me how to work with others and come up brainstorming ideas and executing them well. It has taught me discipline, as in rehearsing over and over and over again until you get it right.
Nice.
Yes.
Thanks, Rowan. Beside Rowan, we have...
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajay Rodney. And how Culture Club has helped me? Well, it has taught me balance. Yes, because as a sixth former, you know, we have exam with city and guilds and such forth, and we have to practice and rehearse at the same time. So it teaches me balance, and it helps me on my less shy side. You know, it brings out that shy.
Yes, you did well this morning. Rajay, you're tired. Go and do it. I'm grog, you're tired reaching. Long like I don't know what. Yes, and beside Rajay we have...
Nicholas Page. Good morning, everyone.
Hold up, right.
The Culture Club has turned me into a totally different person, taking me out of my comfort zone, letting me or giving me the chance to interact with people younger than me, older than me, and finding joy in performing. So.
I love that so much, Nicholas. And beside Nick, we have...
Good morning, everyone. I am Shamar Brown, and the Culture Club has helped me to build and learn to work with others in terms of teamwork. It also helps me to embrace my feelings through the performing arts.
After what? No, I can't stay away. Oh, no. Yes, talk to me. Oh, I love that. I love that. So you're tapping into emotions and
Yes.
you don't feel afraid to do that as a young man.
No.
Yes. I love that. And that's one of the things I wanted to say to you, Miss, as I go back around, is that I'm so impressed to see 4 young men standing here as part of the Culture Club, because oftentimes you think about the arts, it's the girls you see standing here, but they're so bold in their participation and what it has done for them.
Yes, they
I
are.
have to big you up, and I have to big up the young men for being a part of this, and spread the word amongst your peers, because when you get yourself involved in this kind of activity, you don't have time for anything else.
That's right.
No more foolishness.
That's right.
Okay, so what you doing for us this morning?
Pressure, a piece called Pressure. It's a piece that I wrote about 5 years ago. We entered JCDC with it before. We got to the national finals, but we didn't get the gold medal. So I thought maybe we should do it in a group this time, and trust me.
Okay, so take your seat there, Teach. Should I take the mic, Clivers? Okay. Grazie.
I was in a culture club and it brought out. Oh, you know what? I'll have to.
Come, I'll get up and take it this way.
You not do no SBA.
Man, what kind of SBA you come talk about, man? Right now, I road me for them.
What kind of class in a plug out his son, father? Sister mother call me back here. See more, boy.
Boy, just the pressure. Adjust the pressure. Pressure fi go pick up the gun, enough pressure. Pressure just fi have no fun, too much pressure. The need for the money and the girls, fi out pressure for the fame and the worldly pleasures. Pressure, 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 too much pressure, pressure, pressure. School pressure. In a class, every man have a phone. Them a listen out song.
Them a text off Simone.
You have a girl.
But the question where everybody asks, and you dare not say no. I them say, you are idiot, boss.
Adjust the pressure. Pressure fi go pick up the gun, enough pressure. Pressure just fi have no fun, too much pressure. The need for the money and the girls, pure pressure for the fame and the worldly pleasures. Pressure, 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 too much pressure, pressure, pressure.
Man fi have enough girl. And the schoolboy motto, one with slim.
One with cute.
People shake like jello.
One fi buy a lunch at school every day.
One with
nobody wants. She too ugly for say.
Adjust the pressure. Pressure fi go pick up the gun, enough pressure. Pressure just fi have no fun, too much pressure. The need for the money and the girls, pure pressure for the fame and the worldly pleasures. Pressure, 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 too much pressure, pressure, pressure. The other day me in a lab sing a gospel song, cheap boy walking.
Are you a Christian?
Me say yes, and not the best decision.
Man, we too young fi turn Jesus fan, and not the same reason why you nah no woman.
That's the pressure. Pressure fi go pick up the gun, enough pressure. Pressure just fi have no fun, too much pressure. The need for the money and the girls, pure pressure for the fame and the worldly pleasures. Pressure, 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 too much pressure, pressure, pressure.
You know, see, say everybody want get rich quick. So this scamming pussy a get tick. Them rob the rich, the poor, the young and the old. Them heartless, wicked, them cold.
Pressure, pressure fi go pick up the gun, enough pressure. Pressure just fi have no fun, too much pressure. The need for the money and the girls, pure pressure for the fame and the worldly pleasures. Pressure, 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 too much pressure. Pressure, pressure, pressure from the ladies. pressure, pressure,
Pressure as a Christian.
pressure, pressure,
Pressure just to be a man.
pressure. I just the pressure.